We're now heading to Primrose Hill, and you can really see that it's on the hill. We're going on the top of the hill. There you go. Hopefully I can show you and you'll see the whole of London from up in the hill. Look at how huge the Regent Park is. It's really very relaxing here.
This is St. John now.
Yeah, St. John's Wood. Look at all the people on top of the hill. We're lazy to walk on the pavement, so we're walking across. We're gonna, when we reach here on the pavement, we'll walk on that. There.
Yeah.
It's not fair, huh? You're the only one on.
Take it. Okay. Need 10 more minutes to reach the top of the Primrose Hill.
I wonder where do we go from here?
There, over there. There.
When we
This is top.
on our way back.
Our way back, we take the bus. There's a bus over there.
Oh,
There's a lot of people on top of the hill. It's nice weather today.
okay na. We'll show you what those people are looking at. Maybe you can see the other side of London in that area. So we'll just see. Maybe there is, but we don't know. This is the whole lot. I'll show you later when we reach the top. Bye for now.